Hi readers, today we are going to compare and contrast two texts by using Amazing Grace and Boundless Grace. So our question today is, how do readers compare and contrast two texts? So today I want to teach you how readers compare and contrast two texts using the setting, plot, and characters. But first, what is comparing and contrasting? We're going to watch this video with Annie and Moby to find out. So for comparing and contrasting, how they are alike or similar, some of the words that Annie taught us and Moby were same, alike, also, both, in common. Words to use for how they are different or their differences are differ, however, but, unlike, even though, and although. So we are going to compare and contrast two texts using this graphic organizer. Our author was Mary Hoffman. The first book was Amazing Grace. The second book was Boundless Grace. You're going to fill in some of the same characters in both texts, Grace, Nana, and Ma. Then you're going to fill in different characters from book one in book two. So we're going to compare their similarities and differences. Grace's teacher was in book one, and Grace's classmate was in book one, which was Amazing Grace. Different characters in book two for Boundless Grace was Grace's stepmom and Grace's brothers and sisters. Next, you'll go on to compare and contrast the setting in book one to the setting in book two, the problem and solution in book one to the problem and solution in book two, and then you'll compare and talk about a lesson that was similar in both texts. What lesson did we learn in both texts that Nana taught us? Finally, we compare and contrast to determine the similarities and differences between the texts by looking at the setting, characters, and the plot.